This review is of Alternative Baking Company Incorporated's Outrageous Oatmeal Raisin with Walnut Cookie. And it is PARV, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It's non-GMO. I know there's something else about this. Our goal. Okay, so no dairy, eggs, honey, hydrogenated oil, cholesterol, preservatives, artificial ingredients, refined sugar, vegan, and I guess that's pretty much it. Alright, so there's the backside, the blurb, and the nutrition facts, and the ingredients. I doubt you can read it, but hopefully you can. Smells good. Okay, first thing is it tastes good, but it doesn't taste like what you would normally expect with an oatmeal raisin cookie. But that's not a bad thing. The spices they've used have produced a really nice flavor. I think there's nutmeg, cinnamon. Let's just see. Well, I'm right. There is no nutmeg and cinnamon. So yeah, there's also vanilla extract, walnuts, raisins, rolled oats, organic unrefined cane sugar. Yeah, very good, very, very nice. I think that you should give this a try. It's really good. I'm gonna give this I'm gonna give it a 9. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.